This is the water treatment section of Samsave factory. This is where we treat the water for our pure water and bottled water. And today I'll just be going around with you to show you some of the equipment and everything that we use here for treatment of our water at Samsave factory. So this pipe you see here coming from the ground, this is where the water comes from the borehole. That's our raw water. Then it comes to the water filter here. You can see the water currently undergoing filtration. So from this water filter, it moves to our sand filter, sand and carbon treatment filters. We also have the reverse osmosis here, which you can see. All the machines are currently running, and coming down here you can clearly see our water treatment plant. This is the activated carbon filter, and this is the mechanical sand filter. We also have this filter here too, and all of them work simultaneously to see that we have the best quality water. You can also see where our raw water is. This is the wastewater. This is coming from the reverse osmosis machine. So after the treatment of the water in the reverse osmosis, you can see this is an 8 membrane reverse osmosis machine. It's 8, you can see 4, but it is actually 8 because of the size. You can see the size of the membrane. You can see how long it is. So yeah, because of the size, this is an 8 membrane reverse osmosis filter. So after the water has undergone treatment in the reverse osmosis, the wastewater is expelled. So it's the wastewater that you see, that's the bad water, the one not suitable for drinking. You can see it rushing out there. You can also see the series of filters we have here. Here's one of them. You can also see another filter here, and several others too that we have around the factory. So after undergoing these treatments, this is the semi-treated tank. So this semi-treated tank is where the water is stored before it is transported to the treatment tanks. That's the main treated tank. We have the treated tank for pure water, and we also have for bottled water.